Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen backup bulbs on this 2014 Ford Fusion with our plug-and-play LED upgrades. Installation could not be simpler and only takes a few minutes using basic hand tools. Let's get started. To gain access to the factory reverse bulb, we're going to remove 3 11mm bolts, 2 here on the outside and then a third on the inside. With our bolts out of the way, we can simply pull out the taillight housing, which will give us access to the reverse bulb. Once you've got the housing out, simply turn the reverse bulb counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Take the stock bulb out. And plug in our XP50 LED replacement. Now, this bulb is polar sensitive, so we'd recommend testing it for function before completely reinstalling your taillight. If the bulb doesn't light up immediately, no big deal, you can simply pull it back out, flip it 180 degrees, and reinstall it. Then, put the bulb back into the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. Then we'll reinstall our 3 11mm bolts and then repeat the same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With our Diode Dynamics XP50 LED backup bulbs installed, we not only have a much more modern look, but 410 lab-verified lumens of output, giving you far more visibility at night. For more information on our LED backup bulbs, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.